Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some spicy butter garlic shrimp pasta. And here are our many little ingredients that we will be using, looking so lush. So here I have a pot of water. I added some salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, and now I'm gonna put in 280 grams of pasta spaghetti of some spaghetti, and I didn't break them, so leave that to boil. When it goes down in the pot a bit, they just take your fork and stick it down there. Now it's done. I'm going to pour it in my colander, and then I'm gonna turn on the cold water and shock it, right, just to prevent it from cooking any further. Set that aside. Here I have 330 grams of shrimp, and I'm adding about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then I'm gonna add some paprika, about a teaspoon, and yeah, give that a mix. I didn't put any salt on this yet. I don't think I did. By the way, make sure your shrimp has been deveined, right? Yeah, so like, cut it right there, so if you're gonna do it yourself, and take out the vein. So here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna add 5.5 tablespoons of butter. Now all these ingredients depending on how much pasta you're gonna cook. And I added 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, right? So I chopped that up a bit fine, just a bit, and yeah, that's it. 3 tablespoons. So now I'm adding a half chopped white onion and one whole chopped purple onion, well, red onion as they call it. We're gonna saute that a bit. And next I'm going in with half red and orange bell peppers, and then I added 1 green bell pepper. Of course, they're all chopped up. You want to go ahead and give that a mix and leave it for a little 2 minutes. Then I added half tablespoon chili flakes and half tablespoon paprika. Yes, and give that a mix, and it's smelling so nice. By the way, my chili flakes is really spicy. It is hot, right? So yeah, make sure you get the hot one, because some is medium and some really don't have any taste. So here I'm going in with 330 grams of shrimp, as I said before, right, with a little seasoning on them. And yeah, you just want to go ahead and spread out the shrimp so that they have places, a little space in the pot, right? And Vibes fam, you only cook the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes. So after you put the shrimp in, everything else happens so fast, right? So you stir that up. I tasted the whole thing. It needed a little bit more salt. I put a tips more of paprika in there. Give it a stir, give it a mix, taste it again, make sure it's good. That is looking so good. By the way, Vibes fam, you can eat this by itself now, So here I'm adding the pasta, right? I'm just putting it in there, and then we're going to get our little, well, I'm still using the same thing that I've been using, and just mix it up. Try to combine everything. As I said, this is happening very fast because you don't want to overcook the shrimp, right? You don't want the shrimp to be tough. So make sure when you put the shrimp in, you have everything else just ready on the go. So try to hurry up and stir this in. Give it a nice little mix. Hurry up and mix. Vibes fam, this smell good. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, and I added 1 teaspoon flat parsley. Guess what? If you have fresh parsley, use fresh parsley. The mixed herb is optional. If you have it, use it, right? And of course, everybody have little black pepper. So go ahead and mix that up, and Vibes fam, that is it. We are all done. You just want to combine everything as how you want it, right? And then you just turn off your stove, and that is gonna be you. Look at beautiful. Well, I'm gonna show you it before I turn off the stove, but look at it. Vibes Fam, look at beautiful. Look at it. Look pan pretty. Tell me, sir, this don't taste good. I know. Well, come on. You see all the ingredients that I use. Are you going to tell me it's not good? I'm telling you, though, that it's good. You have to trust what I say, right? Yes, it is so good. I don't make taste bad food. No, I don't. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have it. Spicy butter, garlic, shrimp, pasta. Look at it. Do you see the bell peppers? Or do you see the sweet pepper them? Yes, you see them. Look at them. Beautiful. Bring a nice, lush, beautiful color, right? Just bring out all the deliciousness in this nice little pasta dish. And Vibes Fam, when I tell you it tastes it tastes so good, right? And just so easy, get to the point. Shrimp not take long for cook. Pasta, you can just boil it in no time and you're just done, right? But yeah, Vibes Fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please go follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.